Hey guys, Mr. Hanson here. This is our last weekly broadcast, as far as I know. Um, Anyways, this is our last week of new material at the very least. Um, so for senior English, you guys have the Kite Runner chapters 24 until the afterword. Now this is important, guys. If you're don't have a copy of your own book, okay, if you're reading online from the version I found. We do want you to look at the afterword. I thought some of the information in there was important enough that you should look at it. It's only 2 pages, but I have copied and pasted them in here for your viewing. And there is a quiz question on it, so just do make sure you review it as part of your reading, okay? Um, as I do have a few supplementary things that are optional, of course, but they might help you a little bit. They do talk about the Blue Mosque, um, which I thought you might find interesting to read more about. So here's a little video that talks about its history. Here's a discussion of the symbolism of a mosque, and a few other things. So hopefully that helps you. And then you have a quiz, which is going to be over chapters 24 till the afterward. So again, just as usual, make sure you're reading the material carefully, and then you can take the quiz. Now you notice here that this week we do not have a discussion question. The reason for that is we do want you to work on this, I believe. Okay, so again, if you look through here, guys, there's a link for the page of this, I believe. You'll want to spend a little time watching some of those videos and then compose your essay for this and submit it to this page, and also for Mr. Perry's class if you guys are doing this as well. Anyways, that's about all that I have for you guys this week. As usual, if you have any questions or concern, please let us know. Those of you who are a little bit behind, if you are watching this, make sure you get on it and try to get your stuff in as soon as you can. Reach out to one of the three of us, preferably your teacher, and we'll help you the best we can. But just be watching your grades, be double checking. Don't call it quits quite yet. Okay, we're very close. We're almost done. Okay? All right, thanks guys for your patience.